I am recording now.
Alex is in the trunk.
I'm being kidnapped!
You should do it in front of Barnes & Noble. There's people on the table there. On the tables outside.
Are we seriously popping the trunk to scare people?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we're coming to a stop, but there's no one behind us. Don't do it.
So. I cannot wait to show this. Yeah, it's a bitch in his house.
Okay, we're turning to Barnes & Noble. Oh, there's only one person outside. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Aren't you supposed to pop the
Oh.
trunk? Ah!
That dumb woman looked. She's like...